weigh every single dough ball. Like a lot of times people will scoop their dough and we use the same scoop for everything. But I find that our cookies have so much personality, meaning they've got a lot of different fun things in them, from chunks to chips to other cookies, chunks of brownies and everything. So what we do here is we not only scoop it with the same size scoop, but we weigh every single dough ball. 48 grams is our magic number. And we do a couple of tests as we get the dough to bake them first to see how the spread is. Again, some things will spread more than others, and we adjust to keep everything really consistent. But we bake in the same temperature, the same everything in our kitchen here to keep things as consistent as possible. And the final thing is, what we do is we use those little circle, almost biscuit cutters, and we call it circling. We've changed it, made it into a verb, but we circle every single cookie. So if we have a sheet of 20 cookies and something looks a little bit wonky or something goes off and doesn't look perfect, again, nothing's supposed to be perfect. These are cookies, but we use the circle thing and it helps us kind of get the edges and make it more round.